Welcome to Myeongdong. If this is your first time in Seoul, this is the perfect place to begin. Today, I will guide you step by step through shopping streets, local food, a historic cathedral, and the best sunset view in the city. Let's start. Stop 1. Myeongdong Station. Exit 6. We are starting at Myeongdong Station, Exit 6. As soon as you come out, you will see the main shopping street. This area is busy, colorful, and full of energy. It becomes even more lively after 5 p.m. Stop 2. Main shopping street here, you will find fashion stores, shoe shops, souvenir stores, and many Korean beauty brands. Most stores accept credit cards. Tourists can get tax refunds. Just bring your passport, take your time walking. This street is the heart of Myeongdong. Stop 3. Olive Young. If you are interested in Korean skincare, this is a must-visit place. Olive Young is Korea's biggest health and beauty store. You can find sheet masks, sunscreen, cleansers, and trending cosmetics. Prices are reasonable, and many products are tourist favorites. Look for the tax-free sign near the counter. Stop 4. Street food area. In the evening, this street transforms into a food market. You can try sweet hot dog, grilled chicken skewers, egg bread, and candied fruit called tanghulu. Prices usually range from 3,000 to 6,000 Korean won. It's perfect for a quick snack while you continue exploring. Stop 5. Myeongdong Kyoja now. Let's visit a famous restaurant. Myeongdong Kyoja is known for its handmade knife-cut noodles and dumplings. The broth has a strong garlic flavor. It is simple, but very memorable. This restaurant has been listed in the Michelin Guide for several years. Expect a short wait during dinner time. Stop 6. Myeongdong Cathedral. Just a short walk away, you will find Myeongdong Cathedral. This is one of the most important Catholic churches in Korea. It was built in the late 19th century. The Gothic-style building stands quietly above the busy streets. Step inside for a moment of calm. It is peaceful, beautiful, and full of history. Stop 7. Namsan Cable Car. From here, you can walk toward the Namsan Cable Car station. The cable car ride takes about 3 minutes. As you go up, you will start to see the city skyline. Final stop, N Seoul Tower. At the top of Namsan, you will find N Seoul Tower. This is one of the best places to see Seoul from above. Sunset is the perfect time to visit. During the day, shop and explore. In the evening, enjoy the view. That is the perfect Myeongdong route for first-time visitors. Outro. Thank you for joining this virtual walking tour. If you are planning a trip to Seoul, save this route for your first day. See you in the next guide.